Hi guys, it's Madison from Dead Tooth Art. I'm here today to show you guys how I do my body chains. They're going to turn out super cute in the end, so stay tuned and watch, like, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much. Let's get into it. Okay, starting off, you want to get some chain. I bought this chain from Michaels. You can also get it on Amazon. Just make sure it's not made with zinc or anything like that, because zinc does stain your neck. It's not a very high quality metal. So you're going to want to break these little chain links open with some good pliers. Just make sure you're setting a good length for yourself for a body chain or necklace. So make sure you do that to both sides. Just go ahead and break it open. It is a little bit tricky. You will have to use some strength and just pop that off. And you should have a good length. Here you can see that I just kind of winged it. You can really measure it if you want to, but of course I winged it. And just go ahead and pick up some charms that you want to use. For this project, you'll also need like beads, just a basic jewelry supplies, the little metal hooks that you can use, the circle links that you can see there, and then you'll also need these keychain hooks. These ones are mini hooks, which I like. I got them off Amazon. You can also get them in different sizes if you want a bigger one. I didn't want a bigger one, so I just went with the smaller one. I just ended up using these smaller hoops that are like a little bit thicker. I thought those would work good. I take 2 of those and I'm going to attach them to each end of the chain. So you're going to want to go ahead and open those up like that with your pliers. These should be a little bit easier to open up. Sometimes just depending on what brand you get. I like using ones that are kind of like a medium thick, like thickness to it. And then I did double it up just so there could be extra reinforcement in case maybe one hook falls off or something like that. I don't know. And it makes a cute aesthetic as well. Okay, so go ahead and just make sure that's tight on there and make sure they're not going to fall off or anything, and just really squeeze, 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 and it should be attached. Then you're going to go ahead and do this to the other side. So this side looks like this. Cute, cool, easy. And just go ahead and do that to the other side, doing the 2 loops, and then you'll take the other side of the keychain and just go ahead and attach those. And after you get that on there, you're going to want to start collecting and picking out which beads you want to use. So I started with a few different ones. I did switch it up. This is the fun creative part where you can kind of just pick what's going to look good together. Obviously, go by style. If you want a cute, like, shiny one, then you kind of want to do more like the metal. Or if you want one that's more like bling, you could do more so of like the stars and like little crystals that I have. If you want like a more natural look, you can use like the metal I had of that little beetle there. And you'll just go ahead and start making these charms. If you don't know how to do that, I was just looking up another YouTube video. I could also make one if you guys don't know. This will kind of be like a short little showing of how I do it. You basically just put the metal stick through there, kind of fold it up with your pliers. You kind of want to make sure that the end is circular, not sharp pointed. Sometimes the metal can break, so just watch out for that. Make sure that you are properly attaching or like creating the bottom of it. And that one is finished. This is one that I had already pre-made, which was like a little crystally ball looking thing. I also had some old earrings that I used for some of my other chains, like remaking them because the earrings never sold, so I just figured I'd repurpose them and stuff. And you'll attach the charms that you have just with the circular links. So you could also switch it up by doing like smaller links, bigger links. I did end up using some really big circle links that turned out very cool. This one I kind of just added on there. See how it looked. Attach and squeeze that link onto there. Very good. You could use the double hook method that I did with the 2 links on there if you wanted to link it up like double. Just kind of working through the process of what I kind of want to do. I never really have a plan going into these things. I just kind of have a general idea of what I want to make, and then I just figure it out as I go on. And I'll just go ahead and speed this up for you guys because it did take me a while. Started putting the final charms on, and I'm about to be finished. Let's see. Okay, so here you guys go. Final project. It's got a nice flow to it. I'll show you what it looks like on. I put these like black onyx looking beads on there. I don't remember where I got them from. Just kind of different charms I made. I took some off that I had on in the beginning, then I took them, put them off and then put them back on. So our final look. So good. And if you are wearing these out, there's different types of styles you can do. You could wrap it around the front, wrap it around the back, kind of layer it up or anything like that. Attach it to shoes, your bag. Even for men, you can kind of put it maybe on like a jean jacket or something like that. It's very, very cool. I like doing this style in the back. It gives it like a sexier look to it. Very cute. And we got the side profile and everything on there. I like this one because you linked it up like double. And if you like this video, like, subscribe, and share. And then let me know in the comments if you guys try this out at home. Please follow me on Instagram at Dead Tooth Art. I have Dead Tooth Art on Facebook as well, Twitter, Pinterest, and then you can also go to my shop at deadtoothart.com. Thank you guys so much. See you next time.